soft, touchable, healthy. An exotic enticing ultra-rich blend with coconut oil vanilla extract. This formula helps create hydrated hair that is soft, touchable, healthier looking with each use. Bounce and shine. This ultra-rich repairing blend with coconut oil calms frizz, tames flyaways, leaving hair with a silky soft bounce shine. Ideal for damaged, curly, frizzy, coarse hair types. Beauty pure simple. OGX products are inspired by nature. We don't try to make hair look perfect, because we'd rather make hair look fuller, smoother, curlier, or bouncier. Smell irresistible. Rock what you've got. Whether you need quenching moisture for curly hair, protection for color-treated hair, blowout cream or matte pomade, OGX haircare products are designed to bring out your best. Real quality, real beauty. Unattainable looks don't inspire us, but originality does. OGX hair skincare product collections are here to help you look your best. We're beauty, pure simple. Hair type. Damaged, coarse. Intensely moisturizing shampoo conditioner. The perfect remedy for dry, damaged strands. Leaves hair feeling nourished and silky smooth. With coconut oil, essence of tiara and vanilla bean extract. Sulfate-free surfactant hair care system. Top reviews from the United States. Gorgeous scent. Outstanding and keep my hair shiny without seeing any bad results. I'll use it again sometime. WS near future.